Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Father's Day Fishing. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this one, or many others that are available for them, or to learn more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a bunch of additional benefits that you can use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. That is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a sentimental, family-friendly outdoor activity painting, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.